Hello everyone, welcome to this part 3 of making the terrain. In this video I will show you how to make your terrain into mountains and add mountains to the terrain. Okay, simply click the terrain and go to the paintbrush part and select erase or lower terrain, and you're going to select the brush over here. Okay, let's go with something light. I think this one is better. Okay, let me turn my light on so you guys can see better. And select the brush tool. Where is the brush tool? Yep, select it and click and drag with your mouse like this. Okay, don't click too much, then it will just go bad. And where's the tool? Yep. Now I'm gonna make my terrain as surrounded by mountains. Yes, as you can see, it's taking shape. Okay, let's do mountains on 4 sides of the terrain. The more you drag it, the more taller it will go. Let me demonstrate by making a tall one. Oh my god, I'm gonna undo that. Pull and go, just drag straight so you can make a tall one. And you can't go more than the screen size, that's the limit. Alright. Now I want my terrain to be surrounded by mountains. I missed a few over there. Just click and drag, that's it. Okay, some over here and one. Let's make one in the middle. All right, let me zoom and show you. Let's go into let's go into full screen mode. It's reloading. I don't know why is that happening. Wait, where is my right? Oh my god, no. Okay guys, I think I screwed up right here, and that's how you make a terrain. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 4. Peace out.